What's up guys, welcome back to Techno Review. Today I'm going to do a YouTube video on how to build your own website on Wix. So before you watch this video, please subscribe below and hit that bell icon to get notified of my next video. And also hit that like button if you love being an entrepreneur and love selling stuff. So let's roll in the intro. So guys, you first start by going to Google Chrome and then search wix.com. But first I want to show you how my website looks like. I'm going to leave the link in the description if you want to visit yourself. So I'm going to search rohanbijou.com. So I just want to tell you that getting a domain like rohanbijou.com, you have to pay money. So I'll show you how to do it at the end of the video. So stay tuned to that. So let's first go to my website and I'll show you the layout, my basic layout of my website. So first it comes to this minimalistic, colorful, and eye-catching homepage. This is I feel like it's a must for any website you visit. So just take for example apple.com. So apple.com, it's basically just a white palette, just the phone. Just scroll down, it just feels really comfortable to move with. Also search samsung.com. And these two are my favorite websites. This is so minimalistic. I just like it so much. And also, it's smooth. You see stuff that catch your eye. Okay, as I first told you, you need something that needs to catch someone's eye. So I made it minimalistic. I made the title bar minimalistic, the menu bar minimalistic. So I personally like putting an About Me page. It gives you a personal connection with the customer. So that's what this whole part is, and give them a way to contact you, so if they have anything they need, you can help them. And then I have, this is the main part. Actually, I forgot to show you one thing on the home page. That's the bottom part. When they scroll down, make it interesting. Have something they can interact with, which makes it more fun to visit the website. So I basically have this new arrivals page. You can just click, you can visit each quick view, you can see each thing, which makes it more interactive. Then I go to the main attraction, which is Art for a Cause. So I'm going to show where the money goes when I sell my paintings. The money basically goes for charity. So I make my point there So I basically make my point by telling you right here in the page. So right here you can see everything that I said, and also you can also see continuation and also some more main points that I wanted to tell. I tell it in my art portfolio. And then I have this Buy My Art page. Click that, and then you go directly to the store page. So basically go to the store page. You see all of these items, which I listed it with cool names. Make it interesting. So I have this on the side where they contact me for custom paintings, and also they can talk about what painting they want and they want to customize it. Okay guys, here we are on the Wix website, so let's get started. And I'm going to continue with Google. I'm going to use another account, and I'm going to create an account. So they want your Wix experience to be perfect for our needs, so they're going to ask us a few questions and we're going to answer them, and they can make a website based on our needs. So I want to create this website for myself, So what kind of website theme? I'm gonna make an online store. I'm gonna do it for the audience, since this is gonna be your first time making a website. That's why I created this tutorial. So I'm gonna click, this is my first time for you guys. So this is my first time, and I'm just gonna do let Wix ADI create a website for me, because I feel like this is the easiest, and also I base my website on this AI. So it's gonna ask a couple of questions. So I'm gonna say online art store, art shop. Yeah, that sounds right. So it recommends that you have a chat, so you can like talk to your customer. I feel like that's a good thing, and you can add a bunch of new features like bookings, blogs, video, paid plans, Instagram feed, events. I'm gonna add all of these. My online store name is Bob the Builder Art Store. So I'm not gonna do any of this. Review and edit your info. So I'm gonna add a logo. Click this and open. This looks good. This is all good. You can add your logo, change the name if you want. Your email is there. You can add your address, your phone, your fax number, and your social accounts. You can just add a social link. So it's asking me to pick a theme. So my favorite theme in all of this, it's my opinion. You can choose anything you want as a user of Wix. I'm gonna choose Spark because it kind of catches my eye first, so that's something you really want, something that catches your eye. So I'm gonna say yes, you can use the colors from the logo, so create palette. Yes, use these colors. Okay, so this is cool. It shows you 3 of your favorite three websites that you made. So you have to choose one, like your favorite one. Which one you feel is truly special? For me, I actually like the right one a lot. It has like this great color palette. It's pretty colorful. It's not just blank white like the left two. And I actually love the right. It has a nice background behind the title. So, and it's so cool. I actually like that. So I actually like this. So I'm gonna take this and edit the sites. And it's optimizing my sites on mobile. So there's a special feature. You can separately make the website optimized for a mobile device. You can make your website really special for you. Like your things are in this website. So here is the website. As you can see, there's a menu bar. It says home, book online, blog, shop, plans, and pricing. That's really cool. There's a cart here like Amazon, like eBay. So you can add stuff to cart. That's actually pretty cool. You can add digital products here like bestseller. You can tell your story. You can ship and delivery, paint, curation service, and custom framing. So this is basically all you have for an art website. And this is actually pretty good and pretty great for a starting art website. And I think you've noticed that here it says https://www.wix.com/mysite. So this is probably something that's gonna come up when you search your website. So like you can't just search Bob the Builder artstore.com. It's not gonna work. You have to make a domain and you have to pay for it, as I said in the beginning. So if you didn't take the domain, you have to search like www.wix.com/BobTheBuilderArtStore/Wix site blah blah blah, and it's not gonna work. So connect your domain. So for that you have to search by my domain. So there's Google domains. We can take that and search it for a domain name. So I'm going to say Bob the Builder artshop.com. So there's an exact match, so that's actually cool. So that means I can make my website bobthebuilderartshop.com, but that comes with a cost. It's $12 per year, and it's basically $1 per month. I don't think that's too expensive for your website. I actually like that. It's pretty cool. You can get it for cheap. So you can make your domain. Just click here, buy it, and then you're all set. You can connect your domain with the Wix website, and then you can publish your website, and it's ready to go public. So you can just search up bobthebuilder.com or bobthebuilderartstore.com. It's the first thing that comes up, and then you can enjoy your website. So this is the basics for a Wix website. If you're starting a business, if you're starting a music store, if you're starting anything, you can start for information, a YouTube web page, anything. Wix, I say, is the probably best website builder I've ever had. Thank you guys for watching Techno Review. Click here if you want to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, hit that notification icon to get notified of my next video. And thank you for those 50 subscribers. It means a lot to me, so thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.